Hello and welcome to Saurav's classes. Today we are discussing the Indira Gandhi University MSc Statistics paper. This question talks about a variable y which varies with the sum of two components, and one of them varies directly with x and the other varies inversely with x. So we can write this as y is equal to a plus b, where a is inversely proportional, a is directly proportional to x and b is inversely proportional to x. So therefore a can be written as ax and b can be written as bx. So we can write this as y equal to ax plus b over x, not bx, plus b over x. So we are given that if y is equal to 6, then x equal to 4. This is one condition that is given. So we put the values here. So y is 6 and x is 4. So 6 equal to 4a plus b by 4, or we multiply both sides by 4, we get 24 is equal to 16a plus b. So this is the first equation. And then we are also given that if y is equal to 10 by 3, x is equal to 3. So 10 by 3 is equal to 3a plus b by 3. Again, we multiply both sides by 3. We get 10 is equal to 9a plus b. So if we subtract the second equation from the first equation, we get 14 is equal to 7a, or a is equal to 2. And if we put the value of a back in equation 2, we'll get 10 is equal to 18 plus b, or b is equal to minus 8. So the equation would be y is equal to 2x minus 8 over x. And we see that the first option is exactly that. So this is the correct choice. The next question says that the ratio of the sum of the first three terms of a geometric progression to the sum of the first six terms is given as 64 is to 91, and we are asked to find the common ratio. So we know that the sum of n terms of a GP series is given by a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1, where r is the common ratio, and a is the first term. A is equal to first term. So therefore the sum of the first three terms would be given by S3 equal to a into r cube minus 1 by r minus 1, and sum of the first six terms would be given by S6 equal to a into r to the power 6 minus 1 by r minus 1. And if we take the ratios of these two, we will get S3 by S6 is equal to r to the power 3 minus 1 by r to the power 6 minus 1. Now this can be written as r to the power 3 minus 1 by r to the power 3 whole square minus 1, which is r to the power 3 minus 1 by r to the power 3 minus 1 into r to the power 3 plus 1. So therefore we know that r cannot be equal to 1, then there is no geometric progression happening. It has to be either greater than 1 or less than 1. So therefore we can cancel r cube minus 1 from numerator and denominator, and we get S3 by S6 is equal to 1 over r cube plus 1. So therefore r cube plus 1 is equal to S6 by S3, or r cube is equal to S6 by S3 minus 1. Now S3 by S6 is given as 64 by 91. So S6 over S3 would be 91 by 64 minus 1, which is 27 by 64. That is 3 by 4 whole cube. So R is equal to 3 by 4. So we see that option 1 gives us R equal to 3 by 4 and is the correct choice. The next question says that the line y equal to mx plus 5 is a tangent to the ellipse 7x square plus 9y square equal to 63. We are asked to find the value of m. Now, if the line is a tangent to the ellipse, then it has to intersect the ellipse or touch the ellipse at one point. So therefore, we can put the value of y in the equation of the ellipse to get 7x square plus 9 into, instead of y, we write mx plus 5 whole square is equal to 63, or 7x square plus 9 into m square x square plus 10 mx plus 25 is equal to 63, or 7 plus 9 m square, we are collecting the x square terms, 7 plus 9 m square x square plus 90 mx plus 225 is equal to 63, or 7 plus 9 m square x square plus 90 mx plus 225 minus 63 is 162 equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation in terms of x, and it will give us two solutions of x. Now, if the line has to touch the ellipse at one point, that is, if the point has to be unique, then the values of x or the roots of the equation of x from this equation has to be unique, or x should have one value. So therefore, the roots of this equation should be same, and that means the determinant will be equal to 0. So the determinant here is 90m whole square, which is b square, is equal to 4 into a, which is the coefficient of x square, 7 plus 9m square, into c, which is 162. So this can be written as 9 square into 10 square m square is equal to 4 into 162 can be written as 2 into 81 into 7 plus 9 m square. So we can straight away cancel 81 with 9 square, 4 with 10 square, which is 100, to give us 25. So we get 25 m square is equal to 2 into 7 plus 9 m square, or 25 m square minus 18 m square is equal to 14, or 7 m square is equal to 14, or m square is equal to 2. Therefore, m is equal to plus minus root 2. So this is the value of m, and we see that option 4 gives us plus minus root 2, which is the correct choice.